The move forward principle is an essential hygiene rule in the hotel industry that consists of never mixing clean and dirty. Not mixing clean and dirty applies in the rooms, on the cart, and in the pantry. Dirty laundry, trash cans, or a room service tray must never come into contact with clean linen. In a room, dirty laundry and trash cans are contaminated by humans. They contain traces of hair, body hair, saliva, sometimes even blood, and can therefore carry microbes, viruses, lice, or fleas. If dirty items come into contact with clean ones, there's a risk of contamination and the spread of diseases. So avoid any contact between clean and dirty items. Cleaning a room always begins with the removal of all dirty items. Start with the trash cans, then the bed linen and the bathroom linen. Carry all the dirty items over to the cart. Dirty laundry is stored in the dirty laundry bag and trash is placed in the garbage bag. Always wear gloves when clearing items to protect yourself. Remove or wash your gloves for at least 30 seconds before picking up clean linen and taking it into the room. By following these rules, there's no crossing or direct contact between clean and dirty items. Follow the move forward principle and wear gloves to protect yourself as well as your guests. Remember, avoid any contact between trash, dirty laundry, and clean items when cleaning the room, but also on the cart and in the pantry. When cleaning the room, first remove all soiled items and then enter with clean linens. Wear gloves to protect yourself when handling dirty items. Remove or wash your gloves between handling the dirty and clean items.